Join me as I dive deep into the numbers and try to figure out if CEP stock is really about to explode. CEP stock has been buzzing lately, and I'm not surprised. With its recent performance, it's got a lot of investors wondering if it's on the verge of a major shift. This stock's been making some serious moves, and today I'm going to break down what's driving that momentum. CEP stock is facing some tough challenges in the market. Volatility's been a major issue, with the stock price swinging wildly over the past few months. There's also some serious competition out there, with other companies vying for market share. These factors can make it tough for CEP to grow, but they're not the only story. The bigger question is whether CEP has what it takes to overcome these obstacles. Market trends have been shifting rapidly, and CEP needs to stay on top of those changes if it wants to stay ahead. The company's financial health is also a concern. While CEP has shown some promising growth in recent quarters, its debt levels are higher than I'd like to see. That can make it tough to invest in new initiatives or weather any future downturns. On top of that, there's the regulatory environment to consider. As an investor, you've got to wonder how CEP will navigate those challenges. We've also seen some mixed signals from CEP's recent news. On the one hand, the company has made some significant partnerships that could drive growth. On the other hand, there are concerns about how those partnerships will play out. It's a complex situation, and one that requires careful analysis. The factors influencing CEP stock are complex, and not all of them are immediately apparent. For one thing, there's the overall market trend to consider. We're in a period of significant change, with many stocks experiencing major shifts. CEP's got its own unique circumstances, but it's still subject to those broader trends. CEP's recent financial reports have been a mixed bag. While the company has shown some strong growth in certain areas, there are concerns about its long-term profitability. As an investor, you've got to weigh those factors carefully. You're looking for a stock that will grow over time, but you also need to be realistic about the challenges ahead. So what do I think is going to happen with CEP stock? I've been digging into the numbers, and I've found some interesting trends. For one thing, CEP's got a strong position in its industry, with a solid customer base and a good reputation. That's a great foundation for growth. The numbers also suggest that CEP is undervalued at the moment. That's not uncommon for stocks in this sector, but it does create an opportunity for investors. If CEP can execute on its plans, we could see some significant growth in the coming months. That's what I'm watching closely right now. All of these factors combined suggest that CEP stock could be on the verge of something big. I'm not making any predictions, but I do think this stock is worth keeping an eye on. The potential for growth is there, but it's not without risks. To sum it up, CEP stock's got a lot of potential but also some significant challenges. The company's facing market volatility, competition, and financial hurdles, but it's also got some promising trends on its side. If you're looking for a stock that's got some momentum, CEP's definitely worth considering. If you've got thoughts on CEP stock, I'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're thinking. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more stock analysis and insights.